Have you ever wondered what truly shapes your thoughts, behaviors, and emotions? What if the key to unlocking focus, motivation, and emotional stability was already inside you? Science reveals that one powerful hormone, testosterone, has the ability to reshape the human brain in ways most people never realize. This is not a myth or a marketing ploy. This is proven neuroscience. Testosterone is often misunderstood, seen only as a symbol of aggression or masculinity. But beneath those surface-level associations lies a deeply influential biological force. It plays a central role in brain development, emotional regulation, and cognitive sharpness. This hormone has the power to sculpt your inner world. Across the globe, researchers are uncovering how testosterone changes brain structure and function. From the prefrontal cortex to the amygdala, from neurotransmitter levels to stress responses, the impact is profound. And this transformation is not exclusive to one gender or age group. It touches everyone. Today, we are going on a journey through science, not just to understand the biology, but to inspire action. Because when you understand how testosterone affects your brain, you gain power over your mindset, your behavior, and your potential. This is more than information, it is liberation. So let us begin. Let us uncover the science behind testosterone and the brain, and discover how this knowledge can elevate your mental clarity, strengthen your resilience, and unlock the focus you were meant to have. Testosterone is a hormone produced primarily in the testes in males and in smaller amounts in the ovaries and adrenal glands in females. It is well known for its role in physical development, but its influence on the brain is equally significant. From early life through adulthood, testosterone plays a crucial part in shaping neurological health and behavior. Scientific studies show that testosterone impacts brain structure. During puberty, testosterone helps reorganize the brain, refining connections between regions involved in decision-making, emotion, and reward processing. These changes continue throughout life, influencing how people think and respond to the world. This hormone affects both the hardware and software of the brain. It influences the physical architecture, such as the size of the amygdala and hippocampus, and also impacts the chemistry by regulating neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and GABA. These chemicals control mood, motivation, and focus. Researchers have found that testosterone levels can alter behavior, mood, and mental performance. High or low levels influence how we manage stress, solve problems, and relate to others. It is a bridge between biology and behavior. Powerful, yet often ignored in mainstream mental health discussions. The goal of this video is not just to present facts, but to empower understanding. By learning how testosterone changes the brain, you will gain the tools to support mental resilience, emotional balance, and lasting cognitive vitality. This is your chance to upgrade your mind from the inside out. One of the most fascinating discoveries in neuroscience is how testosterone changes the size and connectivity of brain regions. For instance, studies using MRI scans show that individuals with higher testosterone levels often have a larger amygdala and more activity in areas involved in emotion processing and decision-making. The hippocampus, which is critical for memory and learning, also responds to testosterone. This hormone supports neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells, in this region. This translates into sharper memory, faster learning, and a stronger ability to adapt to change. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for reasoning, impulse control, and planning, is also shaped by testosterone. It helps refine this region during adolescence and continues to influence its function in adulthood. This contributes to clearer thinking and more balanced behavior. The brain is like a muscle. It adapts to internal signals. Testosterone is one of the most potent signals it receives. When levels are optimized, brain structure and performance are enhanced. When levels drop, mental clarity and emotional regulation can suffer. Understanding the link between testosterone and brain architecture gives you an edge. You realize that mental strength is not just about willpower. It is about biology, and you can train and support that biology through intentional choices. The brain operates through chemical messengers known as neurotransmitters. Testosterone directly affects the production and regulation of several key ones, including dopamine, serotonin, and GABA. These chemicals shape your mood, motivation, and mental calm. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter of motivation and reward. Testosterone enhances dopamine signaling, making you more driven, focused, and responsive to achievement. It becomes easier to set goals and pursue them with energy and confidence. Serotonin plays a role in mood stability. Balanced testosterone supports serotonin function, which reduces feelings of depression and anxiety. This is why low testosterone is often linked with mood disorders and emotional flatness. GABA is the brain's calming chemical. It helps reduce overactivity and promotes relaxation. Testosterone helps maintain GABA balance, supporting mental peace and emotional control. It is not about numbing feelings, it is about responding with strength. The more balanced your hormones, the more balanced your mind. Every thought, emotion, and decision is guided by neurochemistry. And testosterone is a master regulator. Optimizing it means optimizing how your brain communicates with itself. Emotional resilience is your ability to stay grounded under pressure, bounce back from setbacks, and remain emotionally steady through life challenges. Testosterone plays a key role in this process. It interacts with the brain's stress response system and helps regulate cortisol, the primary stress hormone. When testosterone levels are healthy, the stress response is quicker to activate and faster to resolve. This means you can respond to challenges without being overwhelmed. Your heart rate steadies faster, your thinking remains clearer, and your emotions stay in check. Testosterone also supports confidence and assertiveness. These are not signs of aggression, they are foundations of emotional strength. They allow you to speak up, take initiative, and move forward with purpose, even when fear or doubt appear. Research shows that people with balanced testosterone levels experience fewer symptoms of anxiety and depression. They are more adaptable and better able to regulate their emotions. They do not crumble under pressure. They grow stronger from it. This resilience is trainable. It starts with understanding the role of hormones and supporting them through exercise, sleep, and mindful living. You are not stuck with your current emotional patterns. You can evolve, and testosterone can be part of that transformation. How you relate to others is also influenced by testosterone. This hormone affects social behavior through its impact on brain circuits related to trust, dominance, cooperation, and empathy. It is not about making people more aggressive. It is about enhancing social perception and response. In controlled studies, individuals with higher testosterone showed greater social assertiveness, not hostility. They were more likely to engage in leadership roles, initiate conversations, and express opinions confidently. These behaviors foster connection, not conflict. Testosterone also enhances facial recognition and emotional interpretation. It sharpens your ability to read social cues, respond appropriately, and build stronger relationships. These skills are essential for personal and professional success. Balanced testosterone supports healthy boundaries and mutual respect. It gives you the courage to say no when necessary and the humility to listen when it counts. It helps you express your true self without fear or submission. Strong relationships begin in the brain, and testosterone strengthens the mental pathways that build them. By supporting this hormone, you become more present, more confident, and more authentically engaged with those around you. You can support your testosterone levels and, by extension, your brain through powerful, practical lifestyle choices. Physical activity is one of the most effective. Resistance training, sprinting, and compound movements stimulate testosterone production and improve brain function. Sleep is just as important. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. A lack of rest disrupts hormone production and impairs cognitive performance. Aim for quality, consistent sleep to keep your brain sharp and balanced. Nutrition plays a crucial role. Healthy fats, lean proteins, and essential micronutrients like zinc and magnesium support testosterone synthesis. Processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol can suppress hormone production. Choose foods that fuel both body and mind. Stress reduction techniques, such as deep breathing, journaling, or spending time in nature, lower cortisol and protect testosterone. Mental stillness creates hormonal harmony. It is not about avoiding stress, but managing it wisely. Finally, do not hesitate to seek professional guidance. Hormone testing can reveal imbalances and guide you towards safe, personalized solutions. Supporting testosterone is not about shortcuts. It is about optimizing the foundation of your mental health. If you have ever felt stuck, unfocused, or emotionally drained, you are not alone. Many people silently suffer, unaware that the root of their struggle may lie in their biology. But now you know better, and knowledge is the first step toward power. Your brain is not broken, it is adaptable, it is responsive, and it is ready to change. Testosterone is part of that transformation. It does not define who you are, but it supports who you can become. This is your biology working with you, not against you. There is courage in learning, strength in awareness, and victory in taking action. You are not at the mercy of your emotions or thoughts. You have the ability to guide them, shape them, and elevate them. And now you have the science to support your journey. You are designed to thrive, not just survive. Your brain wants clarity. Your spirit wants confidence. Your mind wants momentum. Testosterone helps provide that foundation. It is the internal ally you never knew you needed. You deserve to feel strong, focused, and emotionally stable. You deserve a mind that matches your ambition. And now, with this understanding, you are closer than ever. Let this be the day you begin a new chapter, driven by knowledge, inspired by science, and fueled by inner power. Take one step today. Just one. Maybe it is scheduling a workout, planning a better sleep routine, or booking a consultation with a health professional. That one step can lead to a stronger mind and a better life. Do not keep this information to yourself. Share it with friends, family, or anyone struggling with motivation, mood, or focus. This knowledge could change someone's life. Be the voice that brings light and clarity to others. Subscribe to this channel if you want more content grounded in neuroscience and aimed at real transformation. Join a growing community that believes in truth, strength, and self-mastery. We are in this together. Leave a comment below. What was your biggest insight? What will you do differently starting today? Your story matters. Your words may inspire someone else to take that first step. Your brain can change. Your life can change. It begins with action. And that action begins with you. Let science guide you. Let purpose drive you. And never underestimate the power within your own biology to build the life you deserve.